The epidermal growth factor domain or EGF domain is a structural domain present in several proteins like EGF precursor, NEU, EGF, and TPA or tissue plasminogen activator. EGF is a small soluble peptide hormone. EGF binds to the cells in the embryo and in skin and connective tissue in adults, causing them to divide. Proteolytic cleavage occurs between the repeated EGF domains in the EGF precursor protein. As a result, EGF is produced. EGF precursor protein is anchored in the cell membrane by a membrane spanning domain. TPA is a protease. TPA is used to dissolve blood clots in heart attack victims. NEU protein takes part in embryonic differentiation. TPA has a trypsin domain. This trypsin domain is a functional domain in some proteases. Now, some important points. There are about 1000 different types of structural domains in all proteins. Only 9 major types of domains account for as much as a third of all the domains in all proteins. Structural domains can be recognized in proteins whose structures have been determined by X-ray crystallography or nuclear magnetic resonance or NMR analysis or in images captured by electron microscopy. Please like, subscribe and share.